pull up our cheesy garlic bread. Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. अपने बर्थडे वीक में मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ कुछ स्पेशल. It's a very special recipe and it's very indulgent too, I know. लेकिन अगर आप इसे घर पे बना रहे हैं तो there's nothing like it. What's even better is that we'll make the butter better by using Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. It's made of creamy milk, which makes it yummy and tasty, and the probiotics in it help support immunity. The sourdough bread is full of probiotics and it really helps promote healthy digestion, and the lactic acid bacteria in it helps better absorption of nutrients, making it very good for your gut. So come on, let's begin. This is our sourdough bread and we've just cut it, okay, with a really sharp bread knife. We go this way and we go this way. It's very simply done. Here we have our mozzarella cheese. Now we just put the cheese in. You go in horizontally and vertically. I'm putting in as much cheese as I can क्योंकि जब melt होगा ना, every corner should have cheese. Yes, this is how it's gonna look. अब हम Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter को melt करते हैं. ये है मेरा melted butter. We add in the garlic, chopped garlic, Parmesan cheese, parsley, pepper, chili flakes, depends how much you want, how spicy you want it, and salt. So just give it a good mix. Okay, we put the bread on the baking tray. Our oven is already set at 180 degrees and we just baste the bread. It's going to turn out really nice and crispy and melted cheese from the inside. The flavors bursting with garlic and parsley and chili. Yum! Imagine it. That's it. That goes into the oven. I cannot even tell you how amazing this smells, and it's going to taste even better. Adding the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread is truly the butter way to do it. इसे आप सर्व कर सकते हैं with marinara sauce, the Italian garlic butter spread, or even just, pizza sauce. It tastes yum. Try ज़रूर कीजिएगा. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon to make sure you get all the latest updates. And do download the Simple Soulful app now. और क्या? स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.